Scrolling is one of those tiny things you do thousands of times a day, and it's also one of the most repetitive. I'm Ethan from the Honest Gadget, and today I'm taking a look at the Rotary Mouse. When I first saw this mouse, I was interested for a few reasons. First, it looks really unique. I've seen a lot of mice, and I've never seen one that puts a literal rotary control exactly where the scroll wheel normally sits. It looks strange, but also immediately makes you want to try it. Second, the website claims the motion can be up to 2 times faster than traditional scrolling, so I wanted to test whether that's actually true in real use. And third, and this is the big one, the whole point of this design is comfort and to alleviate finger pain. The idea is that the circular stirring movement is closer to a gentle finger range of motion, which could help if your fingers get stiff or sore from repetitive scrolling. Quick disclaimer before we get into it, this is a pre-launch, pre-production unit. It was provided to me by the Rotary Mouse founder Melvin Wong for review. The housing on my unit is 3D printed, but I've been told it's very close to what the final retail version will feel like. Either way, all opinions here are completely my own. Now, the rotary wheel itself is roughly 1 inch wide, and it has 6 raised ridges around it, basically grip points, so your finger doesn't slide when you rotate it. The first time I used it, as expected, it felt awkward. But after a short adjustment period, it started to click, and that's where this thing surprised me. In normal, everyday scrolling, I actually do find it faster than a standard notched scroll wheel, because I'm not constantly doing that loop of scroll, lift finger, scroll, lift finger. Instead, you're never lifting your finger. It's a deliberate scroll that is easy to control. Still, I did find myself lifting my finger to use the rotation here and there. I guess that's muscle memory in action. It is a lot slower though compared to using a scroll wheel and free spinning. You can't just rip through a page top to bottom or quickly rush to a spot on the page. So yeah, it's faster in some ways, but a lot slower in others. You also don't get any middle mouse click. So I think this mouse could be a bit better with a free spin mode and middle click just to make it that more functional. Maybe that'll be added in future versions. The motion this mouse encourages, that finger roll and stirring movement, lines up with the general idea behind range of motion finger exercises, which are commonly recommended to help maintain mobility and reduce stiffness and pain. Now, I'm not calling this a medical device, and I'm not saying it treats anything. But I can say this, even though I don't normally deal with finger pain, I noticed my middle finger felt more relaxed and looser after using the rotary scroll for a while. It just feels like a softer, more fluid motion compared to repeated flick scrolling. And if you're someone who does get stiffness or soreness, especially in that middle finger from constant scroll wheel use, I can absolutely see why this design could be genuinely useful and even feel a bit therapeutic. I'm looking forward to seeing this mouse fully released and finding out whether it genuinely helps people with finger strain, or even if some people simply prefer scrolling with this rotary motion instead of a traditional wheel. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. And I'm curious, would you switch to the rotary mouse? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.